Click on the link below to get price. The INTBUYING Ceiling Mounted Dehumidifier is a powerful solution for controlling humidity levels in basements and other large areas. Designed for efficiency, it boasts a capacity of 85 L to 170 L per day, making it suitable for spaces that require significant moisture removal. One of the standout features is its LCD touch control panel, which offers a user-friendly interface for setting humidity levels, fan speeds, and operating modes. The display is clear and intuitive, allowing users to monitor performance at a glance and adjust settings with ease. This eliminates the guesswork often associated with humidity control, ensuring that your environment remains comfortable and dry. Installation is relatively straightforward, particularly if you are accustomed to ceiling-mounted systems. The unit is lightweight compared to some heavy-duty dehumidifiers, which makes positioning and mounting easier. It can effectively cover large square footage, making it a great choice for expansive basements or even larger commercial spaces. The performance of the INTBUYING dehumidifier is impressive. It operates quietly, which is crucial for environments where noise can be a distraction. The machine efficiently reduces humidity levels, preventing mold growth and protecting stored items like furniture and electronics. The removable design also adds convenience, allowing for easy maintenance and cleaning. Energy efficiency is another highlight. The unit consumes relatively low power while delivering high performance, which translates to cost savings over time. Users can expect a noticeable decrease in humidity without a dramatic increase in energy bills, making it a practical investment. In terms of durability, the INTBUYING dehumidifier is built to last, with quality materials that can withstand the rigors of a typical basement environment. It's a robust piece of equipment that balances performance with user-friendly features. Overall, this dehumidifier is an excellent choice for those looking to manage humidity effectively and maintain a healthier living space.